Hey guys, today I will show you how to create a sub account on Bitget. So first, what you need to do is understand the difference between a main account and a sub account. The account you originally create on Bitget is your main account. A sub account is another account linked under your main one that you can use separately for trading or fund management, similar to how multiple wallets work in apps like Trust Wallet. To get started, open Bitget and click on your profile icon in the top left corner. From the menu, select sub account. Since you don't have any created yet, you'll see the option to create one. Tap on create and you'll be given two choices: standard sub account or custodial trading sub account. A standard sub account lets you switch between your main account and sub account without needing to log in again. A custodial trading sub account, on the other hand, is designed for asset management by professional trading teams. You provide funds and they manage trades, but they cannot withdraw. For this example, we'll create a standard sub account. First, give your account a nickname. Then select the account mode, either futures account or standard trading account, depending on your preference. You'll also see an option to require a password for login, but you can leave this off if you want quick switching. After that, click create. Wait a moment and your new sub account will be generated. You'll see all the details displayed right away. To switch between accounts, simply go back to your profile menu, tap on main account, and then select the sub account you want to use. Once selected, you'll be operating under that sub account. Thanks for watching.